Wow, wow, wow! Grabe! My gosh! Congratulations sa ating mga 18, mga kakaps ko. Congratulations! Congratulations! Lalong-lalo na sa ating mahalima at saka sa Onesie Entertainment. Hindi pa man sold out yung buong tickets, yung buong arena. But grabe talagang pinatunayan na sobrang mamahal ng ticket. 34, 45, and 54,000. Lahat sold out. International global package for our mahalima for the simula at wakas. Talagang pinatunayan ng 18 yung loyal na pagkasupport nila sa mahalima na kahit may day 2 pa yan, talagang bibilhin. It goes to show that there's still a lot of people who are from abroad, who are from different countries, who are willing to travel to the Philippines just to watch our mahalima. So congratulations talaga mahalima. Sobrang I am over the moon. I am very happy for our mahalima kasi talagang success na. Success talaga. Global package yan. Madadaming pera. Yung 18 talaga namang pag SB19 talagang yung mga ipon talagang lapag na lapag yung mga ipon talaga ng 18. Hindi man ako nag-avail ng global package pero I'm waiting mga 12 noon para kumuha ng another ticket kasi nga taga Valenzuela ako, malapit lang ako sa Bulacan. So, excited. Puksaan na naman mamaya mga kakaps ko. But let us give a round of applause to those 18 na talagang nakipagpuksaan at 9 a.m. And you guys did an amazing job for selling it out in just like probably in 11 minutes. Was it 11 minutes? I'm going to show the announcement here. Talaga naman 18. Grabe kaya! Talaga namang hindi nagpapaawat ang mga kakaps ko. I just hope that we don't get too pressured na ma-sell out yung arena again on the second day. Let's just enjoy the second day. Talagang let's just enjoy that we are given the second day para hindi rin ma-pressure yung onesie. At saka this second day is such a testament already how in demand mahalima is. That's why there is a second day. So kung mapuno man natin, that's great! Talagang talagang magse-celebrate lahat ng 18, lahat tayo na onesie, mahalima. Pero kung hindi rin, that's still okay because they're still the first Filipino who will have a 2-day back-to-back concert at the Philippine Arena. So kahit anong mangyayari mga kakaps ko, talagang napatunayan na ng ating mahalima yung relevance nila at saka yung status nila sa music industry. So let's just be all proud for our mahalima and let's just enjoy the stage of their career. Talagang sama-sama tayo sa pag-abot pa ng mga pangarap ng ating limang Ginoo. Charot sa ating limang Ginoo. Alright, that's it mga kakams ko. I'll see you later, alligator buyers.